Yeah, they got me. All right. And I swear, it's not my first day on the internet. Okay. I just made a video about installing Orca Slicer and setting it up with a Bamboo Lab printer. And so, of course, I did what normal people do, and I punched it into a search engine, and this website is the first hit that you see on DuckDuckGo. To be fair, Google does not have that. Google has this right here. And sliding down, I wonder if everybody sees that. But so Google knows better, apparently. I don't know whether this is a legitimate site or not, but this is definitely not. And it was because of you guys commenting, which thank you very much for straightening me out. If you hadn't commented, I wouldn't have known. As soon as you did, I posted a pinned comment, changed the description so everybody would see that, and started working on getting this video done as well so that we get the information out there. Because I'd never done Orca Slicer before. I'd never heard that there are fake websites out there. Yeah. So if you click into this site, you get to here. And when I was in here, I noticed that it was loaded with just these predatory ads that are trying to fake you out into clicking on download in the wrong place. And it looks so plausible. It really does. This is what cracks me up, though. This is for informational purposes only and is not an official source. Yeah, you sneaky buggers. So I went to the actual real site, this GitHub Orca Slicer, and down here, had I looked a little further, I would have seen this. And as soon as I saw this, like I said, I pinned a comment, updated the description, so hopefully everybody would see it, and started working on this video to get the information out there so that if anybody else is cruising the internet and trying to set up Orca Slicer, don't make my mistake. Learn from my mistake and use the official GitHub site. So if you scroll down on GitHub, here in download the latest stable release, and here you go. Now, the first thing that I thought was, oh, I absolutely need to uninstall this. Antivirus didn't have any problems, but I was absolutely need to uninstall this, install the correct one. But I was like, let me do just a little bit more digging before I jump straight into that. So I got Windows PowerShell, and I downloaded the real and official version, which is the official Windows installer v2.20, which is what I had installed. So I grabbed PowerShell in downloads, and I have both of these, the one that I downloaded off the fake site and this one. And so let's start out with the real, doing a hash algorithm. If you're not familiar with these hash algorithms, they're often used in crypto, not cryptography, not crypto coins. But this is a way of finding out whether files match or not. So I've got the real one, got the fake one, and they look like they match. But to be absolutely certain, we're going to use this fake real with the dash equals operator, and Windows says true. So this looks like a very, what's the word I want? Simple exploit where the malicious intent is to use somebody else's intellectual property to draw clicks, draw interest, and using those malicious ads on the actual web page is their game more than getting spyware onto your computer. Now, to be completely clear, I'm not saying that you should go to that website and download it. Absolutely not. Go to the actual official GitHub page. You can see it here. Go to the actual official GitHub page. But I've hashed the download from the fake site and the download from the real site, and they are identical. It is the same file. They're just using somebody else's intellectual property. But that doesn't mean in the future that they won't insert something else in there, because you could insert something and compile it because the source code's available. So absolutely be aware of this issue. Don't make my mistake. Do your research. I hope this video is helpful to folks, and I hope it helps you from making my mistake and raises awareness that people are out here doing scammy things. So I hope it helps, guys. I'm sorry for that, and like I said, I've pinned the real information in the original video So, but just make sure that you share with them and make sure that they know to download it from the correct location. Thank you for your time, and I hope this helps somebody, because I wish I knew it sooner. Just did a video on how to